In this video, I want to talk about how you can stop Webull emails. Now there are 3 different methods and I just want to show you all 3 of them. So the first one is you can unsubscribe via the unsubscribe button in the emails. Now most of the emails that you're going to receive, if you scroll down to the bottom of the email, there will be an unsubscribe button. If you click on this, you will no longer get the emails from this person or this business. If you don't see an unsubscribe one, you can try and go to notifications inside of the app. So inside of the app, go to the menu, look for settings and look for either message or notification settings. Check if there is any email in there that you have turned on, and if you have, just turn it off. Now, as a last resort, if none of these work, what you can do is you can right click inside of the email, you can right click on the email and you should be able to block the sender, or you can click on the person, the email, you can click on the name of the email of the person and then you can block from there. When you block them, they will no longer be able to send you emails. So these are the 3 ways that you can do it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.